Afternoon, tita. Ayaw niya na dito sa loob. Ayaw niya yung maboboard siya. Gusto niya yung may makita siyang mga kahoy. Ipasyal-pasyal ko muna to. Kasi hindi kami nakalabas kahapon. Dalawang araw dito may bagyo. Lagi lakas ng hangin. Tapos kahapon, hindi kami lumabas. Kasi natakot ako sa hangin. So ngayon, maganda yung panahon ngayon. Ilabas ko to kasi nagmanya-manya na. Hindi talaga to pwede dito sa loob kahit si mami pagod, labas na lang. Yes? Labas na lang. Hold your monkey. You're gonna bring your monkey, okay? Gonna bring the other one there, okay? And your toy. Don't forget your toy. Ito yung ilagay ko doon sa pram niya kasi tatadyakan lang niya mag-sounds. I-off natin yung mga iba mong laruan. Bikay, yung iba naubos na yung battery kakaplay tapos na hindi na off ni mami. Iyan, wala na masyado battery ito. Na ano na siya. Nag-stop na siya pag na-play ko ng mga 10 minutes. Kailangan ng bagong battery. Tsaka yung kanyang giraffe. Bagong battery yan. Yan, mga bago, mga brand new. Tapos ito, bago na naman binili ng kanyang daddy, nung kanyang pag 6 months. Car. You wanna bring this one? Are we gonna bring this one, huh? Yeah, we need to bring this one, okay? She get a lot of toy. Yeah? Mommy bring this, okay? Mommy just put it in the bag. Ito yung bag na dala ko kasi. Mas easy siya, handy ba? Lahat may ilagay ko. Tapos yung binili ko mansanilya. Ito talaga yung pangmalakasan natin. Mansanilya. Tapos, yung mga laruan niya, gagawa mo na si mami ng milk mo, ha? Mamaya pa naman yung feeding time mo. Pero in case na magutom ka, at least hindi si mami magrato-rato. Yes. Mommy just gonna put clothes on, okay? Yeah? Don't cry, don't shout. Sisigaw pa naman to, guys. Pag hindi ako nakita. Bilis lang si mami, ha? Kuha lang mami ng clothes, ha? Hindi ikaw mag-iyak-iyak, ha? Buyag-buyag. Hala, come on. Roll over. Pakita mo na kanila, tita. Come on, roll over. Ayan. Ganun ko lang yung kanyang paa. Ay, meron iba kasi yung kanyang toy. Ayan. Come on. There you go. Ang bilis. Butchag. Ang bilis to, guys, no? Diba? Parang kailan lang kakadating ko lang dito sa Yuki. Tapos ngayon meron akong baby. Naglakwat siya na ang aming baby. Andito na kami, guys, sa labas. Why so lonely, ha? Medyo malamig na konti kaya naka-jacket din ako. Basta na mo talo. You okay? Dito muna kami sa Poundland kasi gusto ko dito pag may tinitingnan ako ibang mga gamit ba. Ibang gamit na gusto ko. Kasi medyo mayroong ibang gamit na mura na gusto ko dito. Yeah, we're looking here. Yan siya pag naboring, pag nag-grocery kami, nag-shopping, naboboard yan. Yes. Don't look at me like that. Shouty man. Yes. Oh, come on, cover because it's a bit cold. We're going to the park, okay? Tingnan nyo, ayaw magpa-cover. Sinisipa-sipa yun. Oh. Cover. Cover, okay? Don't do that. Come on, mommy gonna cover yours. Okay, just do like that then, okay? It's a bit cold, darling. It's a bit cold. Tingnan, tinatadya ko. Come on. You a lot of toys there inside. Here, my love, you need to cover your feet, my love, because it's cold. Come on, we're going to have a walk there. Daddy is not here yet. Ayun, magpa-cover. Does it make you feel better now, huh? You going out? Ooh. Oo daw. Ayun ang mga bata. Tapos meron din dito. Are you trying to poop? Come on. Mommy gonna put to be sit. Yeah, mommy gonna like that so you can see the babies, okay? Yeah? Yeah, so you can see. Are you okay there? Tika. Ay, naglaway naman po ni siya eh. Yeah. You enjoy here while waiting daddy? Don't do you back like that, darling. Asa man imong trapo lang? Daan na ba na trapo ning ato na daya? Dili bag-o. Grabe na lipa. Oh, grabe na avocado ganina. Nagka-avocado. Kanina pa kami dumating tapos sinugasan ko na yung kay Kid. Gamit bukas kasi ready na siya para kumain bukas. Yung kanyang bowl, tapos para siyang may takip din, may lid para kung may sobra pa ako sa ginagawa ako, ilagay ko lang sa ref. Tapos ito yung sa kanyang fruit, malinis na yan. And tapos yung kanyang kutsara. Bibili lang ako ulit ng bago pag na ganito yung mupikit kanisa. Iyakan anan. Tapos kanira asa among gipalit. Ang among gipalit ni daddy is kanang naisampon. Tapos may kasama na inisita na kutsara. And then naghiwa ako ng lamas para sa ako lutuon humba kay patilawan sa nato nig humba bago magkaon. Okay. Sa amo kay meron kaming kasabihan na dapat maghamoy-hamoy sa nang humba na. Nagpait ako isa-isa na ini gusto na saging lata-lata na kay para lami sa binignit. Magbinignit ako kay nagkrib ako ng binignit. Are you hungry now? Mommy put you a milk. Give you a milk. You're not having it. Huh? You just want attention? Grabe talaga to siya. Pag hindi napansin, sumisigaw. Gusto lang talaga mag-usap kami lagi. Maglaro. Ganon. Si mami hindi na makaluto. You wanna get out from there? Okay, let's bumili ako ng mangga. Sobrang tamis ng mangga as in. Bless you! Ganyan kay Kid blender.
That's
What is that for?
that must be
Stand?
for slicing or
Slicing.
see it's a bit. I don't know. We'll see what it's
Sobrang misi ng aming kusina kay hindi pa ako nakapaglinis kaya itong isa laging nagsigaw-sigaw. Yung humba natin is nandyan ready to fight.
There you go, that's for making cakes.
Yeah, your cakes. Oh my god. Mommy is gonna be too busy. Mommy is hungry. Let's make this little one food first. Is that for... I think his stomach is no good at that, so he can get the food. Is your stomach no good?
It's in Tom's as well. slice, I think.
Yeah, that's for when I mix together as well something. You can blend as well fruit and vegetables.
Yeah. So you can do all these things, but the most important is
Yeah, that one.
see what it's like, see if it's any good or not. If it's no good, then we'll have to go and get the one what we're first seen.
What, the bush?
The bush one.
Bush.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that will do.
Are you having banana? You want banana with daddy?
Yes. I said, make it faster, Daddy. I'm hungry.
Try some banana. Yeah, with daddy.
What is it?
Nice. Yeah. Come on, taste it. Is it nice? Nom nom nom. Come on then.
Take the hands off.
Yeah. I think you like banana. Yeah.
Daddy not using your plate. Daddy not putting your bib. He's holding. He's grabbing it now.
You can't drink it from the bowl. Come on.
Agoy, nagkaon naman ang baby.
Yay.
First foodie.
Yay.
Come on, where are you going, Dad?
Hey.
Yeah, I know, Daddy.
I like banana, Daddy. Yes, I like banana, Daddy. Come on, get off that and then you don't get